Are you looking to migrate your OST files to Office 365? Presenting the Vmail OST to Office 365 Migrator. It is a professional solution to recover and migrate OST files directly to Office 365. To download this tool, open Google and search for Vmail OST to Office 365 Migrator. From the search results, open the first website. This is the official website of Vmail software. Simply click on the free download button to download the trial version. Once the download is complete, double-click on the exe file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions in the setup wizard to install the software successfully. After installation, double-click on the software icon to launch it. This is the software's graphical user interface. First, you need to add your OST file. Click on Add Outlook Files, select the OST file, and click Open. Then click on the Next button. The software will load all OST data and folders. To migrate this data to Office 365, log into your Office 365 account. Click on Import into Office 365. Here, you will see two login options: MFA, Exchange Online, EWS, and Live Exchange Server. With MFA, Exchange Online, EWS, you can log in using your Office 365 or Exchange account credentials. Enter your email address and password, then click Login Now. Click on Login Now, enter your Office 365 email address, and click Next. Enter the password and click Sign In. The software will connect to your Office 365 account. Once connected, select your Office 365 user mailbox. You may also choose any other mailbox from the drop-down list. Click OK, then click Import Now. The migration process will start immediately. Within a few moments, all OST data will be migrated successfully. As you can see, all folders and emails have been imported into the Office 365 mailbox. If you find this software helpful, consider purchasing the full version to unlock all premium features. Thank you for watching.